Hello friends, welcome to my channel. But before starting today's lecture, I want to give one update that I have slightly modified the channel name from Soil IQ to Soil and Agri IQ. Why? Because I will cover soil science related topic definitely, but I want to extend the horizon of our learning, teaching and learning environment. I want to cover more topics, advanced topic like remote sensing, GIS, GPS, Internet of Things, and how they are applicable to our precision agriculture, digital soil mapping. All these things I need to cover. Also the general agriculture topic related to our ICAR exam or UPSC related exam I want to cover in my channel. That's why I kept the channel name Soil and Agri IQ. So stay tuned to keep you more update. Let's come to the lecture series. You all know problematic soil series is going on. We are discussing about the problematic soil and their management. So in my first lecture I have discussed about soil quality, and in second lecture I have discussed what are the indicators used in soil testing the soil quality. And now in this lecture I am going to discuss a fundamental question which is frequently asked in the examination. What is that question? That is there any difference between soil quality and health? Often the student get confused. So let's understand this topic. What is the basic difference between soil quality and health in a simple and comprehensive way? So let's start. Okay, so let's see the difference between soil quality and health. Okay, soil quality already I defined that it is the capacity of a soil to perform its function. Okay, so means basically this definition given by Carlin that soil quality is the capacity of a soil to perform certain kind of function. What are those functions? Like to sustain plant and animal health, biological activity, maintain air and water quality. All these functions I have described. So this is a capacity of the soil to perform a particular function within ecosystem boundaries. Coming to soil health, this denotes the current condition or fitness of the soil. Basically it is related to the what is the current status of the soil, current condition of the soil, and how it is fit. It denotes the fitness of the soil to support the plant growth. Means it related somehow some productive part like plant growth, or it may be the microbial growth. When this biological part is related to this function, then it is coming under soil health. It is the fitness of the soil to support the plant growth. Now coming to second point, this focuses on inherent and dynamic properties of the soil. Some properties are inherent properties like soil texture, particle density, then dynamic properties like soil structure and other properties. So basically they consider physical and chemical properties like pH, EC, nitrogen, nutrient status. All these are considered by soil quality. Soil quality considered both physical properties, chemical properties, inherent and dynamic properties of the soil. And soil health, they support all these, but mainly focus on the biological properties of the soil like microbial biomass carbon, microbial biomass nitrogen, enzymatic activities, and the current situation, current condition of the soil. So mainly these are focusing the biological properties. Okay, coming to the third point, that the soil quality is less sensitive to the change in management practices. Okay, whatever the management practices, agricultural management intervention like tillage, water management practices, weed management practices, whatever we want to do, so these management practices slightly modify or they cannot modify the soil quality parameters, particularly which are the inherent or intrinsic soil property like soil texture, soil particle density. They cannot be changed easily through the management practices. So that's why these are less sensitive to the management practices. Opposite, in contrast, the soil health is highly sensitive because this is the current condition of the biological property that can easily alter through the management practices. Like microbial population may change due to higher fertilizer application, due to intensive delay. So their microbial property can change, soil health property can change. That's why these are highly sensitive to the management practices as compared to soil quality. last point, that soil scientists and researchers mainly they are talking about the soil quality, but who are the farmers and the extension workers, they mainly focus in terms of soil health. And last one example, a good quality soil means what? A good quality soil means the soil which having the ideal soil structure like loam soil structure, good water holding capacity, high amount of organic matter, so good balanced nutrient status, that is a good quality soil. What is healthy soil? A healthy soil means a well managed soil having sufficient amount or optimum microbial population to support a good and healthy plant growth to achieve optimum crop yield. So that is soil health. Soil health is more practical point of view, and this is basically the research point of view. I hope my dear students and friends all you understand what is the basic difference between soil quality and soil health. If you get any information, please like my channel, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will help me to motivate me to upload more videos. Stay tuned. See you in the next lecture.